Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Venu 3S and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the sound volume on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, press any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold the back button to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu, tap on the settings option to enter the settings. Now scroll down, find the system option and tap on it. And here you should see the sounds option. Select it and then select the volume. And right here we can adjust the sound volume for the voice and the system. You can adjust the volumes by tapping on the speaker icons on the left and right. Another thing you can do is to mute the sound completely by tapping on the mute option to turn it on or turn it off if you want to unmute the watch. And once you're done adjusting the volume, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the sound volume on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.